Welcome to this creative channel. In this video, I will create a unique and detailed mini aquarium combining the beauty of a natural waterfall with the peaceful atmosphere of a fisherman's house. Let's get started. For the first stage, I made my own aquarium box with an aquarium floor base by utilizing the remaining 40 centimeters for tiles. While the glass is 15 centimeters high and 5 millimeters thick. Once the aquarium box is finished, it's time to make a waterfall cliff from styrofoam. The reason I prefer styrofoam is because styrofoam is lightweight, making it very easy for me to move or lift the aquarium later. In addition, this can also be a solution to reduce styrofoam waste, which is known to be difficult to decompose by nature. After finishing arranging the styrofoam piles into the desired basic cliff pattern, I continued the process of forming a rough texture like a rock cliff. The process of burning styrofoam cliffs can also make the styrofoam harder and also make it easier to apply cement later. After the styrofoam cliff forming process is complete, now is the time for the coating process using cement mixed with water. For this cement coating, I repeated it up to 3 times. Waiting 2 days and the cement has dried, the next step is to do the basic coloring process with black paint. Because this cliff will be installed in a fish aquarium, I use paint with water thinner, where this paint is safer than using paint with oil thinner. After the base black painting is complete, the next process is to color the cliff with several colors, including brown, cream, white, and blue. After the cliff coloring process is complete, now it's time to install the cliff and make a filter place by gluing it using glass glue. If this cliff is not glued to the bottom of the aquarium glass, then this cliff will float when the aquarium is filled with water. Because this aquarium is not too big, I use a pump with a power of 1200. For the base media of the aquarium, I use white sea sand that has been washed clean. To beautify this aquarium, I added a miniature fisherman's house that I made from ice cream sticks. If you want to know how to make a miniature fisherman's house from ice cream sticks, please check my previous video or click the link in the description. I added floating plants that I took from the rice fields behind my house. These floating plants not only add beauty, but also function as a natural filter and hiding place for fish. To make this miniature fisherman's house look more alive, I added some other miniatures that I made myself. To add a more dramatic touch to this mini aquarium, I added a fog machine at the waterfall area. Finally, the process of making this mini fisherman's house waterfall aquarium is complete. Please give your assessment of my work in the comments column. If you like my aquarium work, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for my next creative idea.